So this is the Boston Dynamics robot dog playing Rave Gazebo. You may notice that when I make it spin, there's a little bit of a delay, and that's just from the casting that we're doing. It has to go from the headset to the computer to the HDMI to the, so like, right then it changes. But I can have it like play Rave Gazebo just kind of by dancing around. It's changing the music just by dancing. I love it so much.
Oh.
So that's right. I love it. In fact, take a bow, would you mind? Yes! Oh, I love this guy so much.
Oh.